Now I am going to explain how Hunter BTT app works. So this is the Hunter app. It is showing the available devices 6A49 that will enter into the device. Now you can see auto, off and manual. The device in right now it is in off mode. If it is in off mode, the timer won't work. Always this timer should be in auto mode. For that we have to press auto button. Here you can see the existing program stored in the timer. It is showing watering days Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. If I wanted to change the days and if I wanted to run all the days in the week, I have to modify that. I am adding Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. I am saving it. Now it is showing every day. Then the start time. Start time is now it is showing 7 o'clock. I wanted to change into 6 o'clock. And start time evening also showing. If I don't want that timing, I can cancel that also. I can remove it by pressing remove button. If I wanted to add, I can add also. By pressing save button. Then there is, I'm not setting any rain delay. If I want, I can set rain delay also. For example, if the weather forecast is showing like tomorrow is going to run means rain means, I can set it like 1 day rain delay like that. It won't run today, it will run tomorrow. That's all. There will be 1 day delays. Okay. If I don't want rain delay, I can cancel that also by pressing this one 0 day. Yes. So this is the programming. If I wanted to run manually right now, I have to press this button which is with the hand. If I wanted to run only 1 minute, I can run. I am keeping the timer nearby, so if I press the run button, you can hear the sound also. Yes. If I wanted to stop now, I can stop. Otherwise, it will run for 1 minute. It will automatically get off. So, as I told, you have to keep the screen, whatever the software position or something, it is in auto mode only. So I am keeping it in auto mode. I am leaving from the app. If I press the connect button, it will come to the main screen. There it will show how many devices are connected. Right now only one device is connected. I can disconnect here also. I am disconnecting here by pressing disconnect button. That's all.